Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Once upon a time, organization relied on a system that was, well, let's just say, less than efficient. Welcome to the world before Active Directory. Before Active Directory, managing user accounts, permissions and resources in an organization was a bit of a nightmare. Each computer and server had its own separate database of users and security policies. Imagine logging into your computer one day and finding that none of your files are there because you are on a different server. Or worse, trying to remember a dozen different passwords for different systems. It was a headache for IT administrators too. They had to manually manage user accounts and permission to each individual machine, which was not only time consuming but also prone to errors. But then a hero emerged to save the day, Active Directory. Let me tell you what actually Active Directory is. Active Directory is a centralized directory service by Microsoft, managing user accounts, permission and resources within Windows domain networks. It facilitates authentication, access control and policy enforcement across network devices. Through a hierarchical structure, it streamlines IT administration, enhancing security and efficiency in managing users, groups and network resources. Active Directory revolutionized the way organizations manage their IT infrastructure. It's a centralized database that stores information about all resources in a network, including user accounts, computers, printer and more. With Active Directory, IT administrators can easily manage user accounts, group membership and access permission from a single centralized console. It provides a unified authentication and authorization mechanism across the entire network. No more juggling multiple databases or manual configuring each machine. Active Directory automates many more routine tasks, freeing up IT staff to focus on more strategic initiatives. So there you have it folks, the story how Active Directory transformed the way organizations function, making life easier for both employees and IT professionals alike. So do like our video and do share it to friends for more such videos. Thank you.